Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Nslookup works but ping fails in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now we have a lot of commands to run like flush DNS and what do we say? Reset WinSock or reset the TCP IP. But if we simply reset the network, then all of these commands will run all together. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced Network Settings and then scroll down and click on Network Reset and then select Reset Now. Finally, click on Yes. The next one is to use public DNS. So, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit Enter. Now right click on the active network connection and select Properties. Okay. And then go to Internet Protocol version 4. If it is selected at obtain a DNS server automatically, select it at use the following DNS server addresses. Type it as 8.8.8.8 for the preferred one and 8.8.4.4 for the alternate one. Click on OK and then click on OK once again. And lastly, update the network drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi one and update it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.